Honey, I'm not gonna play with you. It was a bee. Honey, yeah, please stop. Honey, stop Oh my god. Honey, stop it. Okay. Oh my gosh. I need to shampoo this carpet badly. sorry if the quality looks like trash. This iPad is terrible. I'll dump it. Sorry if it seems like I was rushing. I'm babysitting. I'm watching my niece. So, yes. Okay. Oh gosh. Oof. Gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I vacuumed this carpet because they have a vacuum. It's like a little, I think it's like a Dirt Devil Cyclonic or something. There's no filter in it, and like the bin is cracked. So I'm pretty sure they don't use it that much. But the last time that I vacuumed was probably like a few months ago, and the bin was empty when I started. Let's look at the filter. And I know I cleaned the filter. Yeah. I was hoping that my phone wouldn't cut off on me, but of course, my phone hates me. I also wanted to say thank you for 300 subscribers. I think it's like 304. But thank you. It means a lot to me. Love you guys so much. I'm going to Vegas to spend time with my sister. So, I mean, I can try to get some vacuuming done. They have a Dirt Devil. It's okay, but I don't think it can handle mess tests or anything. But I could probably do like some natural vacuuming with it. Hold on, guys. And, you know. But yeah. I'll try to get some videos done. I'll probably try to do one later today. Okay. But, wow. That's crazy. Let me put the light on it. This iPad doesn't have a freaking light. That's the one thing I don't like. Wow. I don't want to touch it. It's not mine. But, okay, yeah. Wow. I'm shook, you guys. Oh, God. So, okay, so I hope you guys like that. I don't think I've ever really done like a natural vacuuming, so I'm pretty sure it's my first one. Hopefully it was good. I know the quality looks like trash, like the last 6 minutes of this video. I had to switch, but I'm gonna try to do a mess test for you guys when I get home later today. But thank you for the unconditional love and support. You guys are so sweet. You guys just been amazing. I would go back over it with the with that, but I don't want it to clog like last time. I don't know if they have tools, because if it clogs, then it clogs, and I'm not gonna be able to take it apart. But don't worry, I'll give you guys a mess test later. Love you.